American, I know, but he was a Chinaman American looking guy. Anyhow, and, you know, he had that look, you know, I can't personally, I can't do it, but I can, anyhow.
Try.
So anyhow, and he's like looking. So then he looks at these other days. He says, "Yeah, and you scratched out some back. I don't know what's going on back here. I don't know why. Well, you see, this guy didn't know his appointment and change it. Why can you not? Why you do that? Why can you not run this book better? You know." And she's fussing at him, and then I'm like, when she kind of calms down and quiets up, I said, "Hey, is tomorrow gonna be okay?" And she's like, "Yes, it is." And I was like, I think he looked like he was more the mechanic than she was, because he's all grubbed up, you know. Anyhow, so
Your tires gonna be there tomorrow then?
it's supposed to be.
Oh, he
supposed to be
forgot
here
about
today.
tires. He just bought a pack of gum
You
and
just
left.
wanna go up there and hang out.
It's supposed to be here today, yeah. And I asked her, I said, "Hey, now if I need to, I'll bring my truck off and drop it off a little bit early."
You see the price of these? These people are
What do
retarded.
you do that for? We go by appointment up here. Yes, I understand that, but if I need to bring my truck off and drop it off early, if that's going to help out, then we go by appointment up here. Your appointment's 12 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, I'll
Big
drop my
country.
truck off at 7 o'clock before I go to work, man.
I was trying to like help, if it helped them out or something. I don't know. But when I was looking at it, it looked like their appointments didn't start till 12 o'clock. I don't know. So maybe that's